Get into a car with value. 2017 Kia Niro. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This smooth-riding, well-constructed Niro is ready to meet your family's needs. With a flexible interior layout, stylish, quiet cabin, room for cargo, and the latest safety and infotainment technology, this reliable and efficient hybrid crossover will help you navigate every adventure with ease. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, keyless start, backup camera, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection. Hybrid efficiency feels great in this stylish and practical Niro. It's waiting for you, and our professional team is eager to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.